Welcome to McKim Creed's new Pittsburgh office, located in the Historic Cardello Building on Pittsburgh's North Shore. I'm Brad Palmasino, the regional manager. As our group in Pittsburgh continues to grow, we're thrilled to be able to invest in an upgraded, more centrally located office space designed to increase collaboration. McKim Creed's investment in this space is indicative of its commitment to the city of Pittsburgh and our clients, and the fact that design matters, whether a place to live, to learn, to heal, or to work. Come take a look. We look forward to many years of success in our new office space. Come visit us sometime.